This is the incredible story of cosmic gardeners. Did aliens really come to Earth in the distant past and seed life here? Let's find out. The cradle of humanity, that is what they call it. It is the place where scientists believe life on Earth began. But when we look back at this cradle, we might be missing something, like a piece of a cosmic jigsaw puzzle. The latter may sound far-fetched, but hear me out. This idea is not new. In fact, it goes back to the 1900s when scientists first started exploring the possibility of life on other planets. Some believe that life on Earth originated elsewhere and that Earth was simply a convenient stop on the galactic tour. They call them cosmic gardeners. The structures in the Nazca Desert of southern Peru are among the world's most famous archaeological sites. In 2017, NASA's Curiosity rover was exploring the red Martian desert when it stumbled upon something unbelievable. The rover's cameras found a perfectly round hole in a Martian rock, but that's not all. Inside the hole was a perfectly preserved Martian flower. To this day, the origin of this flower remains a mystery. It could have formed naturally, but some say it's proof that life once flourished on Mars, and that the Martians were so advanced that they could preserve flowers in stone. These mysterious lines and shapes etched on the desert floor are so large that they can only be seen from the sky. But how were they made? According to some reports, the Nazca people used simple tools such as wooden hammers and copper knives to etch the designs into the desert sand. But others believe that the Nazca Lines were made by aliens. Why? Because the Nazca people did not have the technology to make them. But more importantly, the designs themselves suggest extraterrestrial intervention. According to researchers, some of the lines resemble astronomical charts, suggesting that the Nazca people knew more about the cosmos than we give them credit for. Scientists have said that complex organic molecules are essential for life as we know it. Now, just because we have not found these molecules in space does not mean they do not exist. In fact, they could be all around us. There are many more where these came from. And maybe one day we will find concrete evidence of aliens seeding life on Earth. Until then, these are merely theories. What do you think? Do you believe aliens are cosmic gardeners? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. For instance, scientists have found nucleobases, amino acids, and even RNA molecules on meteorites that have landed on Earth. You see, according to science, the building blocks of life on Earth formed in this region some 4.6 billion years ago. But the oldest evidence of life that we have found is only 3.7 billion years old. That's a gap of almost 900 million years. And scientists can't explain it. They have found no evidence of how non-living matter became alive. Now, researchers are divided on this issue. Some say life arose naturally from non-living matter. Others say life was seeded on Earth by aliens. And this brings us to the possibility that these cosmic travelers brought life to Earth from elsewhere in the universe. But why would aliens seed life on Earth? The theory suggests two possibilities. One is that aliens wanted to propagate their own species, and the other is that they were simply curious. We don't know which one is true, or if either is true. But there is reason to believe that aliens could have visited Earth in the distant past. Some say the evidence is right here in our DNA. According to a recent study, the genetic code of life on Earth seems to be universal. In other words, all living things on this planet, from bacteria to fungi to humans, use the same genetic language. This suggests a common origin, meaning all life on Earth could have descended from a single point. But who or what created that original life form? Scientists do not know, but some believe it could have been aliens. Then there are others who say the evidence for aliens seeding life on Earth is right here on the planet itself. But perhaps the biggest evidence we have of alien gardening comes from space. These are just some of the stories that make headlines from time to time.